We're lucky enough to have our office be this beautiful backyard pool. It's a saltwater pool. We keep it at around 92 degrees, and people just instantly feel less pain the minute they get in the water.
We were able to stretch the receiver in ways that's impossible to do on a table or on the floor.
I have back and neck problems and shoulder problems. And the water, the minute I get in, is very relaxing, gently pulls on me, speaks to me. It's much different than the conventional therapy, but the movements are familiar to me, and that helps to build my endurance and my strength.
There's a lot more freedom in one-on-one and private setting to create an aquatic therapy program that fits the demands and needs of the individual that you're working with.
We are always in the water with you, by your side, and the sense of weightlessness that you get when you're in the water, the buoyancy of the water, it eliminates fear for people.
I have many knee issues. I've got multiple knee surgeries under my belt. I also have ankle and foot injuries as well as a cause of these surgeries I've had. And so I've done plenty of physical therapy. I've done plenty of things to try to remedy it. I've had limited success. And getting in the water is sort of a different thing. The lack of gravity on my limbs, on the joints, really enables the body to move in a certain way that kind of unlocks tension.
We do all kinds of targeted training depending on what a person's condition is. We can offer things like traction to help decompress the low back, which occurs naturally in the water. Just being in the water unloads the pressure on the spine and on the joints.
It's the most wonderful feeling of freedom.
After going into the water and doing aqua therapy, my body felt better, felt freer, felt lighter. It could get deeper into where there were issues. And since starting aqua therapy, my body has never felt better.
The combination of the weightlessness and the exercise and the stretching has been wonderful for me.
We like to combine our passive form of aquatic therapy in styles of Watsu, aquatic integration, as well as chiropractic techniques.
When people are in pain, they no longer feel like themselves. So we at Aqua For Me like to help change that. We like to help people feel like themselves again.
It has inspired me to go beyond, whereas with physical therapy it was like a chore. But this has been inspirational because I've always loved to dance. I find myself more joyous. The things that I have loved in the past are now part of my present.
All of this is combined with also sound bowl therapy that we include in our floating sessions.
The addition of sound and the sound bowl really kind of tunes into kind of the thing internally inside of you, and somehow that energy moves through you and resonates through you in a way that is completely innate and intrinsic to who you are. The introduction of aqua therapy in my life has changed my life. I don't know how I could live without aqua therapy.